Hi guys, it's Aaron from Iron Fist JB, and today I am doing a packet of Match Attax opening. But first I'm going to show you the ones that I got in my own pack after, So then, let's get into the packs. First we start with Terence Conley, Aurel Romeo, Will Hayes, Bernard Leno, Georginio William, star signing Richardo, Premier, and one of the match Kikio Fernand. And then now I get onto my second pack. I'm just kidding them. But I have got a pack here, so I've got my free digital pack. Here I have got Jonathan Hogg, is a card. Leighton Barnes, Connor Canavel, Anderson, Richard Gamazal, John Stones, and the Arsenal club badge. So, I hope you enjoyed this Match Attax opening, and I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a like in the comments, or check the description if I put any links there, which I might. Okay? Yep. So, see you guys next time. Goodbye.